Now, the warnings from the world's biggest bond market on the US fiscal mess are getting louder. This shows President Trump's next big hurdle is bond market. In this next report, we dive into the bond market moves and investor jitters on Trump's beautiful tax bill. Take a look.
US President Donald Trump's signature tax bill passed the 435-member House of Representatives on Thursday by one vote. The sprawling multi-trillion-dollar package is projected to add trillions of dollars to America's almost $37 trillion national debt. The bill would slash funding for safety net programs, including Medicaid, in favor of extending tax cuts. The bill now heads to the Senate, which, like the House, is also narrowly controlled by the GOP. Whether the House bill's more extreme provisions survive the Senate and a subsequent conference remains to be seen. But short of a massive transformation, the end result is unlikely to please increasingly nervous investors. They see the country's ballooning debt as a monstrous chicken coming home to roost. The concern is that the bill would add trillions of dollars to already bulging budget deficits at a time when investor appetite is waning for US assets across the globe. Investor sentiment towards treasuries took a big hit after Moody's ratings stripped the US of its top credit grade late last week. The sentiment deteriorated further on Wednesday following an auction of 20-year bonds that drew suspiciously weak demand. The rout deepened a weeks-long sell-off in bonds and underscored investors' deepening resentment. Current US yields between 4% and 5% are near levels before 2000 and the financial crisis. US bond yields have also been well above the average for the past decade. The US has historically paid far higher rates at times. Debt and deficits now are exponentially bigger, and that makes all the difference. Meanwhile, Deutsche Bank's Tim Baker warns that the dollar may end up paying the bigger price if fiscal concerns persist. The dollar has already borne the brunt of the market's early reaction to the Moody's downgrade. The US currency is now down nearly 1% on the week and more than 7% so far this year. This is the greenback's worst annual start on record in data going back to 2005. Business Bureau, WION World is One.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.